So you're wondering how to use VPN in PC. In this video for beginners, I'll offer a simple VPN for PC tutorial using a few of the industry-leading providers. By the end, you'll know exactly why you need one, how to make it work for your daily habits, and which VPNs I recommend. Now, since you're here, I'm assuming you know a little bit about VPNs, so I won't overdo it in this VPN Explained segment. All you really need to know is that a VPN is a tool for online privacy. You see, your IP address gives away certain information about you online, and a VPN has a direct mission to hide this information. Generally, when you visit a website, any snoopers or third parties can see device information, track your activity, or even find out your location. However, when you visit websites with a VPN connection, your IP has been replaced with a VPN server IP, masking all of this information and making your online experience generally safer and more anonymous. Of course, aside from the security aspect, a VPN has a very long list of other benefits that make online experiences, well, just better. But to get to this point, you'll need to know more than what is VPN. With that said, the first step in this PC VPN tutorial is getting a subscription. While there are free VPNs out there, a lot of them offer a bare bones version, so I recommend a premium VPN for the best experience. And most of the best VPN options give the biggest savings when you go for the longer plans. To help you out today, I've added links in the description for you to get the best overall price. Or you can scan the QR code here to get my top recommendations with a discount. Alright, here's where you'll need to download and install the VPN. And downloading is the same as with any Windows application. Once complete, the installer window should appear. This is where you simply follow the on-screen prompts and tick a few relevant boxes. Once it's done, you'll need to use your login credentials to access your account. With NordVPN, you'll be redirected to your browser, where you'll log into your Nord account. Finally, relaunch the VPN application, and you'll be met with the dashboard. Quite a few VPNs follow a traditional layout with tabs on the left. Most VPN apps should showcase your connection status. This will let you know if you're connected through a VPN server or not. As you can see, I am not connected. To change that, the simplest way is to press the Quick Connect button, which will connect me to the closest and fastest server. This feature may go by different names, but other top VPNs should have similar functions. Alternatively, both the server list and search bar are accessible via the homepage if you want a particular location. Once you've found a preferred server, you just tap it and you'll be connected. Remember, there will be some form of confirmation of your connection within the app. My favorite way to navigate is with NordVPN, it being one of the few to offer an interactive map that makes managing locations really easy for beginners. But regardless of your connection journey, there are disconnect, refresh, and expand buttons, which are all quite self-explanatory. If you want to connect to another server, you don't need to disconnect first. Just simply press the new location. This will be the same principle with most VPNs. Aside from this, there is the recent connections, which makes accessing preferred servers quick. Furthermore, a lot of best VPN choices now have features to block ads, trackers, and malicious sites as you browse. With NordVPN, this can be found within the app itself. Once enabled, this feature offers a host of web protections, from blocking ads in real time to giving an indicator of how safe search results are. It can even protect your device against malware by scanning any downloaded files or threats. Dark web monitoring is another must-have VPN feature. This will flag any user emails that end up on a dark web database. To have continuous checks on your information, just simply add each email individually. And there we have the VPN for PC guide on Windows. Now I'll cover Mac OS. If you want to hear my top recommendations, use the timestamps to skip ahead. First, the most important step is to download and install the VPN. It's simple, just download the app like any other Mac application. Next, navigate to the folder where your app has been downloaded and double-click to start the installation. Now an installer window should appear. Just drag and drop the VPN icon into the application folder. Finally, relaunch your app and log in. Once inside, the most important learning curve is securing your connection. Most, if not all, VPNs will have an indicator somewhere that says connected or not connected. To change that, I need to connect to a server, and the easiest and quickest way to do this is using the Quick Connect button. This will automatically connect to the closest, fastest server. Though if you need a specific server, say you want to stream content in a particular country, you can use the location list or search bar. All VPNs will have these functions, making finding servers really easy. To connect, simply tap the server of choice. Once connected, you will see the location on the right of the Surfshark app. If you want to connect to a new location, simply tap a new country. Finally, Surfshark and many other VPNs let you favorite locations. This makes them appear at the top of the list for easy access. Of course, Surfshark doesn't have the graphical map that NordVPN or ProtonVPN has with their Mac and Windows applications. But finding servers is just as simple, albeit less gamified. Many Mac VPNs will have additional features that complement the VPN experience, and ad blockers are an important one. Most ad blockers are generally limited to the browser and must be downloaded separately. Surfshark has two different clean web versions, one that works at browser level and one at device level. This covers you on all fronts from pop-up, website, and even in-video ads. Just simply enable it in the VPN app settings. From here, you can install the 2.0 browser extension, which has a dashboard with easy access to all of the clean web features. Finally, Surfshark offers the One package, which includes the alert feature, where you can enter the email, credit card info, or IDs you want to be monitored for leaks and breaches online. This package also has a fully functional antivirus that can run full scans. What's special is that all of these tools are built into the VPN app, making them easy to navigate and use. With that said, the answer to should you use a VPN is clearly a yes. But choosing a bad VPN can leave you confused and in some cases unprotected. My best VPN for PC picks are NordVPN, Surfshark, ProtonVPN, and ExpressVPN. All of these guarantee the best security, ease, and excellent features to enhance your experience. Just consider your budget and which design you prefer before making your decision. If you need more advice, check my best VPN video. That's a wrap for my beginner VPN tutorial. Hopefully now you know how to use VPN in PC. I appreciate your time and see you in the next video.